just want to go through how to do this activity. The link you're going to need is right here along the bottom. You can just copy and paste it. Sometimes you can click on it and it will hyperlink. And when you go to it, it looks like this. Units of measurement, we have length, mass, and capacity. So looking at it, which I pointed out the length, mass, and capacity, those are the only three we're using. We're not doing area and volume. We're going to make conversions, and you want to make sure the exercise button is clicked. So looking down here, we want to make sure this exercise is clicked, so it should look like this. This area is just to help you if you need it. You'll actually are looking here at your conversion and what you're going to convert it to. And that's what this slide goes over to. We need this number and measurement. What we convert to goes here. What we need to convert it to, its unit is there, and we're going to submit it. So you'll type it in, submit, and then you can do a new question if it's correct. And you're going to type that stuff in this information here. So if you double click in these boxes, you can type everything. So let's go here. Let's say this was your first one. You had 2 millimeters. So you would type here 2 mm. And if you look, it wants you to convert to centimeters. So in the orange box, I would type centimeters. The green box will be my conversion. So I need to think about what I want to convert it to. Sorry about that. So if I'm going from millimeters to centimeters, I'm going to the decimal, which is invisible because the whole number would be here. I'm going to move that decimal from millimeters to centimeters. I'm sliding 1 over. So my invisible decimal would be here, and I'm sliding 1 over, so that would be 0.2 centimeters. So I'm going to type it there, and I don't think I have to have the 0 there, but I will go ahead and put it in. And congratulations, I'm done. And then I hit new question, and it goes on. And you are going to do 3 lengths. When you're done with the lengths, you go back and hit mass, because then you will go on and do 3 mass. And the last thing would be 3 capacity, which, 3 capacity, which is this one right here, your liters. Okay? So that is what you need to do. When you're done, make sure that you submit it.